boys and girls. Today during Daily 5, we're going to be working on Spin It and Spell It. Before we get started, please write your name at the top of your paper. This week's phonics focus is L blends and T blends. Remember that L blends are when two consonants are side by side and one of the consonants is an L. A T blend is when two consonants are side by side and one of the consonants is a T. In a blend, both consonants are pronounced. We can find L blends and T blends at the initial part of the word, which is the beginning part of the word, and we can also find L blends and T blends at the final part of the word, which is the end of the word. Please take out a yellow crayon. Before we get started, let's color all of the L blends and T blends that you see in our word list. Our first word is gulp. I can see that I have an L blend at the end of the word. Our second word is the word twin. T-w-i-n, twin. And I can see that I have a T blend at the initial part of the word. Please color the blend yellow. Our third word is melt. Finger stretch. M-e-o-t. And I can find that L blend at the end of melt. My fourth word is trap. T-r-ap. And I can see my T blend at the beginning or the initial part of the word. The next word is held. Finger stretch. H-e-o-d. Held. And my L blend is found at the final part of the word. Our next word is clap. Finger stretch. K-o-ap. Clap. And that L blend is found at the end of the word. My next word is hunt. Finger stretch. H-a-n-t. Hunt. That T blend is found at the end or the final part of the word. Our next word is the word lift. Finger stretch. O-if-t. Lift. And I have that T blend right at the end of that word. Our ninth word is raft. Finger stretch. R-a-f-t. Raft. And there is that T blend right at the end. Our very last word has 5 sounds. We have the word blast. Finger stretch. B-o-a-s-t. Blast. And that L blend is found right at the beginning of that word. Please take out your pencil. And you are going to use your paperclip to spin and see what number you land on. If I land on the number 9, I'm going to write gulp. G-a-o-p in my first box. Then I will spin again. Let's say I land on the number 5. That would be trap. T-r-a-p. Trap. So you can see that these numbers correspond with a word. So you will need to, whatever number you land on, match it with that word. When you're finished with Spin It and Spell It, go ahead and flip over your paper and color that fun Halloween picture. And then turn this paper with your name on it into the Daily 5 mailbox and get started on Lexia to earn those free time minutes. Way to go, boys and girls. I'm proud of your hard work today. Keep it up.